I'm Siti Komareka from International Class Program of Biology Education, Mathematics and Science Faculty, Makassar State University. In this video, I will present my article task about media development learning. My title of article task is analysis of pop-up cards media development based on animal material conventional. Abstract. This study aims to develop learning media pop-up cards based on conventional material of vertebrate and invertebrate for class 10 semester 2 students. The research method is research and development. Research and development with the AD model, which consists of 5 steps. Namely analysis, design, development, implementation, and evaluation. The research was conducted in class 10 semester 2 in Mount Jeneponto, as many as 5 people in one group. The instruments used were the media feasibility validation questionnaire sheets, the feasibility of learning device. This research produced media pop-up conventional based as a means to make it easier for teachers to deliver materials and to provide experience to students in the learning process, which aims to facilitate students in understanding lessons. Keywords: pop-up cards, conventional learning and development. Introduction. This research is motivated by the lack of students learning. Introduction. This research is motivated by the lack of students learning outcomes in the material animals, vertebrate and invertebrate. This was triggered by the lack of students' interest in the material, so the resources developed media pop-up conventional card, which was expected to make it easier for students to remember picture and Latin names from vertebrate and invertebrate animal material. The formulation of the problem in this research is how is the procedure for developing conventional pop-up cards learning media, and how is the effectiveness of developing conventional learning media pop-up cards in animal material, vertebrate and invertebrate. The aims is to determine in the procedure for developing conventional learning media pop-up cards and to determine the effectiveness of the development of conventional learning media pop-up cards in animal material, vertebrate and invertebrate. In developing this learning media, the authors developed media pop-up cards for animal material for vertebrate and invertebrate. Class 10 in semester 2. This conventional learning media pop-up cards contains picture and Latin names of some of the vertebrate, fishes, amphibi, reptiles, aves, and mammals. This learning media pop-up cards also has picture for pop-up for the live vertebrate classes. In addition, it is also equipped with the explanation in each pop-up using language that is easy for a student to understand and it seems the interest in learning. Development procedure. In this development, directed systematic work procedure is needed so that it is expected to be well planned. Media development procedure pop-up card that adopt steps from the AD model. The work procedure to be carried out in this development are as follows. 1. Analysis. Before developing learning media, the first step is to analyze the subject matter of learning. A review of learning material that are guided by core competencies, basic competencies, and indicators in the syllabus class 10 semester 2. 2. Design. The development of media pop-up cards requires design. The procedure design in the development are as follows. 1. Determine KI, KD, material and learning objective. 2. Analyze the characteristic and needs of students. 3. Making learning implementation plans or RPP. 4. Making media engineering design pop-up cards. 5. Determine the material to be used. 6. Determine the size of each component that will be used. 7. Assemble product according to predetermined learning. By Soleh 2017. Media development at the design stage. Conceptual framework has been drawn up. Conceptual framework can be realized into product that are ready to be implemented. At the development stage, the following steps can be taken. 1. Determine the material to be used. Development of media pop-up cards. 2-dimensional requires material according to the needs to be used. This research requires cardboard, photo paper, caissons, paper glue, and printer. 2. After the tools and material were complete, the research determined the ideal size for making media product pop-up cards and implementation. This stage is implemented by media that have been developed in real situation, namely in class. The implementation of this research is only to determine the practicality of media pop-up cards. Evaluation is carried out at each stage of development through daily notes carried out during the activity of the development steps carried out. Type of data. The data collected through the implementation of this evaluation is a type of formative data that is grouped into two parts, namely data from the first stage of evaluation on material expert validation and learning on media expert validation. The second stage is data from the results of group trials. All data obtained were then grouped according to their nature into two parts, namely qualitative data and quantitative data. Qualitative data were obtained through group trials, and quantitative data were obtained from validation data from learning experts and media experts. Data collection instrument. The instrument used were the media feasibility validation questionnaire sheet, the student activity sheet, the feasibility of learning device. The questionnaire is a list of statements that the respondents must respond to by selecting alternative answers that already exist. excite. This instrument is in the form of validation sets from learning expert and media expert. Data analysis technique. At the final stage of validation, all data items were collected and analyzed to see the result of development according to Sugiono 2013. Explain that the data analysis is the process of systematically searching and compiling data obtained from interviews, file notes, and documentation by organizing data into categories, describing them into units, performing synthesis, combining patterns, choosing which is important and which one are make conclusion. Yeah. Research and discussion. This development research resulted in a media product in the form of pop-up cards or moving cards containing picture and Latin names of animalia, vertebrate and invertebrate. After the media product is complete, according to its development, validation is carried out by media expert and material expert. Analysis. The analysis stage is the initial stage for preparing media pop-up cards. At this stage, the activities carried out are describing the results of the analysis of the needs of students, identifying problems and describing the characteristic of students in class 10, learning objective and characteristic of students. Learning analysis required for product development is as follows: 1. Need analysis. 2. Characteristic of students. Design. After analysis the material, learning objective, and characteristic of students, the next step is designing the media. As for the step in designing media pop-up cards conventional based development, this stage is the stage of developing the media product pop-up cards. After the product is made according to what is developed, validation is carried out by the validator, namely media validation and material validation, then revised. After being revised, a group trial was carried out. 1. Product validation. 2. Implementation. 3. Evaluation. 4. Development. Yeah. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, I think that's all my presentation. Before I close my presentation, I have conclusion of my presentation about my task. My conclusion is based on the results of the research and development that has been carried out, it is concluded that the learning media for the pop-up cards material of animals, vertebrate and invertebrate, that have been developed through the AD model, through the stage of analysis, design, development, implementation, and evaluation of the validator. Thank you very much for watching this video. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.